Today, we are lucky to have the Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Emmanuel Asiedu, with us, who will throw more light on Gratis activities over the years. You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Mr. Asiedu, as I mentioned in the introduction, not much is known about Gratis. We sort of know very little. Can you tell us what the core functions of Gratis is?
Well, thank you very much. In fact, our mandate is for the industrialization of Ghana throughout all the regions of the country. And we have to do that through the dissemination of appropriate technologies. The word is appropriate technology. Technologies that are appropriate to our system. Okay. Technologies that my mother in the village can use. And we do that so that micro and small enterprises can actually evolve, so that jobs will be created, productivities will be increased, and then its multiplier effects on the economy.
In what areas of specialization do you focus? We
focus on agri equipment.
Okay.
You know, Ghana, basically, we have 60 to 70% of our people involved in agriculture. And most of these things are being done manually. So for us to actually increase productivity, we focus more on designing and manufactured equipment for the agri sector.
Okay. Yeah. Basically for the agri sector.
For the agri sector.
Mostly for the
mostly for the agri sector. And we also do spare parts for industry.
Okay.
We also come out with equipment like solid waste containers.
Okay.
I can tell you that the initial stages, all the solid waste containers that were used by Zoom Lion were made by us.
That's impressive.
Yeah, and we come out with a lot of things. Recently, we came out with fufu machine, which people are using in almost all the restaurants in our country. And we did a survey and realized that almost about 500 people have been employed by the fufu machine. There are centers set up, people go there, you bring your fufu, they pound it for you.
Yes.
Yeah. So we do a lot of
So apart from the fufu machine and then the waste bins, what else do you do?
We also do training.
Okay.
So basically, our main job is for manufacturing and training. And under the training, we have engineering and non-engineering.
Okay.
The engineering aspect is we do 3-year apprentices training program. And we have also what we call the visiting apprentices. There are some who are already in industry, but they lack some skills. They come and we give them some of these skills. We have engineers who might want to know how to draw the part that they want to actually design. We call it AutoCAD. And now you've gone ahead to make SolidWorks and what have you. So that the component that you want to manufacture, you can put it on paper, you can put it in the computer, look at it, even turn it around to see whether that is what you actually want. The non-engineering training are for people who want to do something with their hands immediately. Batik, tie and dye, garri processing. We do training for pomade making, honey extraction, and shea butter and all those trainings. So people who actually want to do something with their hands, we give them this sort of training. Snail rearing, grass cutter